Hello YouTube. Today, let me show that. So today I'll give you 3 reasons to why you should diversify your interest in Forex trading. Okay. And the first one is spread risk. So by trading multiple currency pairs, you reduce the impact of any single bad trade, lowering your overall risk. So we all know that once you start diversifying your portfolio, doesn't matter where it is. It could be whether on like stock market or forex or any other market that you're investing, could be even crypto. The more you diversify, technically the better for you, because there's this old saying, never put your eggs in one shell, something like this. Or the same basket or something like this. I forgot right now. Yeah, never put your eggs in the same basket or something like this. You're diversifying is good. Diversifying too much could maybe not be too good, because you're also diminishing your profits, but overall diversifying is a good strategy. So spread risk. The second reason is capture more opportunities. So different currency pairs move differently. Diversifying lets you take advantage of various market conditions and trends. So that gives you opportunities for more profits. So for example, if you are positioned in Euro USD and maybe GBP CHF or some other currency, maybe your USD could have a volatility differently than GBP CHF. Maybe the second one could be more volatile than the first one, and giving you more opportunities to make more money as well. Of course, it gives you more opportunity to risk as well, because risk reward goes together, but at the same time you also have a more opportunity to make more money, so that's good. And you are diversifying anyway, so you're safer, quote unquote. So number 3, reduce stress. Trading multiple pairs reduces the pressure on a single trade, helping you make better, less emotional decisions. And that's pretty much self-explanatory. Reducing stress is, I think, one of the key things for you to become successful in any market, because if you're taking decisions based off your emotions and you're not being rational, then most of the time you're going to end up taking a bad decision, which is going to cost your account, or you're going to cost your margin level, and on the long run you have a higher probability of not surviving the market. So these 3 things is already one solely good reason for you not to be diversified. To be actually diversifying your portfolio. And of course, I'm talking about Forex in this video, but it could be for any market. It could be for stocks. Maybe you only have one share of stock, but it's good for you to split that into sectors and into different companies as well, so you'd be a little safer just in case a crisis happen, or maybe at a short period of time one of these companies are not giving you dividends or whatever. You were pretty safe, and you're balancing out your stock portfolio or your Forex portfolio. Okay. And just to show that to you, I'm using this account right here, which is being the example for the videos. This account here, I have one trade that is supposed to be, let me just see the lot size right here. So the lot size of this account is 0.63. So 0, comma 63, right? Just put that right here. 0.63. So that's the total lot size that I'm working with this account right here, currently, right now, okay, at my own strategy. And what I would do here, instead of putting all the 0.63 at once in one pair, in one currency pair, which I could do it because proportionally I am inside of my proportional lot size in my account, so I would be quote unquote safe. But it's better for you to split that, like I said, because of all these reasons. So that's what I'm doing. For example, I have bought GBP CHF at 114.908, which is here. Yeah, so I bought it in here, not here, I bought it here. Right now, the order is going against me, so I have to wait that to go back to, the break-even point, or I don't know, maybe I'll use other strategy if that doesn't happen. But here is one perfect example of why you should diversify. So for example, if I bought GBP CHF at this level right here, 114.908, and then the chart goes down, and I only have one trade and only have this one trade right here, and then it goes all the way down here and it decreases my margin level, essentially I would be quote unquote stuck in this position. So I would literally be stuck in this position until the market would move in my favor, or until I did a second strategy or something else throughout the journey in here. So that doesn't give me margin of error. And in Forex and in high risk investment, the more margin of error we have, and the more, maybe outlets and ways that you can kind of make up for the error that you made, the better for you. So the more margin, the more probabilities, the more options to open new trades and try again, and have more margin to make more profits, to make up for your losses, the better for you. And that's one of the reasons to why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. So GBP/CHF, I'm doing 0.110, so 0.10, and AUD NZD, I'm doing the same thing, so 0.07, and Euro CAD, which is this, I'm doing 0.07 as well. And you might be saying, oh, but that's definitely not even close to 0.63, and you're right, but that's because I split the orders in 3 as well. So for example, if I'm using 0.63 and I divide that by 3, let me just put the calculator here real quick. So if I have 0.633 lot size, and that's the amount of lot size that I use in this account right here, for the proportional capital that I have, and I split that in 3, I will have 0.21. But instead again of using 0.21 in just one trade, I would split that in 3 as well, to make my operation even more safe, or even safer in a way, because just in case I buy and then the chart goes against me, I would buy again and I would buy again. So I literally have two more chances, and I don't give up, but I give a lot of space, between the entries, and that helps my average price to return back to its normal price, so I can close the order and try again. And that essentially what it does, it gives me more margin of error, and that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a margin of error. And just a quick reminder, guys, that this is not a perfect or formal rule. So for example, if I'm using 0.1, I personally like using 3, so 3 trades instead of opening 1. But you can open 2 trades, you can open 4 trades, you can literally do like maybe 0.1 divided by 5, for example. So you would enter a trade having 0.04. So for example, if you want to have 5 trades, so say you bought in this position, you bought GBP/CHF at 114.908, and then the chart goes against you, then you would wait a little bit, give space, and you would split your order. So buy again a second time, buy again a third time, buy again a fourth time, buy again a fifth time. So what you're gaining here is you're gaining space to make the chart better for you, and increase your average price. So that helps you, that doesn't necessarily guarantee you success, because the chart could literally go down and you're never going to know it, but it helps you giving more margin, and that's what we need to have in Forex. Okay, so that's why diversifying your portfolio, whether it's in Forex or stock market or anywhere that you're operating at, is one of the greatest strategies to maintain your survivalism, or your survival rate, or whatever, in the market. And it's what gonna help you on the long run throughout your journey. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or any suggestions for other videos, please subscribe for more, and just bear with me, guys. I don't own the truth, so I'm not a Forex king or anything like that. I am just somebody that love the Forex world and market and all that type of investment stuff. So I share to you a little bit of my perspective, and I hope that can be helpful for some of you guys. And by any means, I want you to copy what I do or whatever. I'm just trying to show you a perspective to trades, and I hope that can be helpful for you. I hope that can open your mind to maybe see different things, and learn a little bit more about how this market works. So I hope this video was insightful. Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, take care. Bye.